This is the XDJ-AZ, Alpha Theta's newest flagship standalone DJ system, and it's quite possibly the most feature-packed controller they've ever released. Retailing at $3,200, the XDJ-AZ takes everything great about its predecessor, the XDJ-XZ, and pushes it to a whole new level. With a layout inspired by the CDJ-3000 and DJM-A9, full-size jog wheels, a 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen, and believe it or not, wireless headphone integration with near zero latency. This all-in-one DJ system is designed to give mobile DJs, club DJs, and event DJs the ultimate performance experience. So if you've been asking for an upgrade to the XDJ-XZ, Alpha Theta has delivered big time. I do have a couple of gripes that I know will also annoy a bunch of DJs, and we'll get to each one, especially the question as to why this is an Alpha Theta product and not a Pioneer DJ branded one. And with that said, let's dive into what makes the XDJ-AZ the potential future of Alpha Theta DJing. The XDJ-AZ inherits much of its design and layout from Pioneer DJ's flagship club gear, specifically the DJM-A9 mixer and CDJ-3000 media player, making it intuitive for professional DJs while still being approachable for beginners. Thanks to Pioneer DJs and Alpha Theta's universal design language, transitioning from DJ units like the FLX4, 6, 10, and XDJ-RX3 feels natural and familiar. Starting with the mixer, the XDJ-AZ comes equipped with 4 channels, each with a full 3-band EQ and a dedicated color effects knob. Just like the DJM-A9, you get access to 6 different color effects, including filter, crush, and dub echo. The XDJ-AZ also introduces several new effects from the A9, such as triplet roll, triplet filter, and Mobius roll. Now, what I appreciate about this new effect system is how assigning effects to channels is now done with buttons instead of knobs, which makes it quicker to apply effects to the right channel, especially during fast-paced performances. Speaking of performance, the all-important volume faders are solid and smooth, living up to the high standards we've come to expect from Pioneer DJ and Alpha Theta. They provide the precise control needed for professional mixing, ensuring a fluid and reliable experience during any set. However, while the AZ inherits the design layout of the A9, I have to say the A9's volume faders feel noticeably better in terms of overall smoothness. Then again, for the price of the A9, I would rather pay for this. Anyway, as for the crossfader, it's good for general mixing, but it doesn't quite reach the precision or durability of Pioneer DJ's Magwell crossfader found on their higher-end products. That being said, it still performs well for most DJing scenarios. One small complaint I have as a scratch DJ is that the crossfader switches have been removed for ergonomic reasons due to the larger screen. I really wish there was another way to assign and know which sticks are selected for scratching aside from using the touchscreen. Moving to the jog wheel side, the XDJ-AZ inherits the size and feel of the CDJ-3000's jog wheels, delivering that unmistakable club-grade quality. These jog wheels feel fantastic. They're responsive, smooth, and built for top-tier performance, especially when it comes to scratching. The vibrant central display on each jog wheel is a great addition, offering essential information like album art, track position, and cue points. You can even switch the display to show your performance pad status with a simple double button press, ensuring you stay fully informed without losing focus during your set. Now here's a big feature. Above each jog wheel, Alpha Theta has introduced dedicated deck switching buttons, so pressing these buttons allow you to select which deck in the software is controlled by the hardware deck. To nitpick, one small improvement that would make this even better is allowing the jog wheel's LED to change color based on the active deck. Because currently the display remains white or red, so having color differentiation would make it much clearer to identify which deck is active and in use. Additionally, you can seamlessly integrate CDJs into your setup, eliminating the need to switch decks entirely. With Pro DJ Link compatibility, your honor information and beat are synced across all players, giving you full control over your performance. However, when using 4 decks, you can either use Pro DJ Link with CDJs or the deck select method. You cannot combine Pro DJ Link on one side and deck select on the other. And speaking of performance, Pro DJ Link also allows you to sync your lights, sounds, and even pyrotechnics, creating a fully immersive show. Now, it's worth mentioning that the jog wheels on the AZ feature jog feel adjust. This allows you to fine-tune how tight or loose the jog wheels feel depending on your style of DJing. So whether you prefer loose jog wheels for smooth backspins or tighter tension for precise scratching, this feature has you covered. And speaking of customization, they've added a handy vinyl speed adjustment button right next to the jog wheel, allowing you to easily achieve that vinyl break stop effect at the press of a button. So here it is with this mode active. And here it is without. Now, I know what you're thinking. While some DJs might prefer the classic vinyl speed adjust knob, in reality, most DJs just set it once and rarely touch it again. So I can see why Alpha Theta chose to remove it and replace that feature with more practical controls. Speaking of controls, the XDJ-AZ features 8 RGB performance pads that are both responsive and dynamic. There are 8 pad modes, double the 4 on the XDJ-XZ, and these include standard modes like Hot Cue, Beat Loop, and Beat Jump, as well as advanced modes like Key Shift. My favorite addition, however, is Gate Cue mode, which is a huge upgrade for me since I tend to rely on it a lot in my style of DJing. Let me give you a quick demo. So this is what happens when you trigger a cue point via Hot Cue mode. And this during Gate Cue mode. So whether you want to arm a track for mixing and cueing, jump to a specific cue point without playing the track, or trigger samples with more control over the duration, Gate Cue mode is a must. Personally, I wish they'd implement this feature across all their media players. Moving on, the XDJ-AZ features long tempo faders, identical in size to the ones on the CDJ-3000. And just like the 3000s, they're incredibly smooth and responsive. However, one difference I noticed between the 3000s, XZ, and the AZ is that the AZ's tempo faders no longer have the indicator lines in the fader groove. Personally, I miss this small detail as it added a bit more precision when beat matching. But then again, it's not a deal breaker for most DJs. Alpha Theta has really pushed the envelope with sound quality on the XDJ-AZ, featuring a 32-bit DA converter from ESS technology. So the sound is clear, dynamic, and punchy, perfect for large venues and clubs. The 3-band master EQ gives you control over the output, so you can easily tweak the sound to match the acoustic characteristics of any venue, ensuring you always sound great. And while the XDJ-AZ ensures your mix sounds perfect, you need speakers that can deliver that same clarity and punch to your audience. That's why for my mobile gigs, I rely on the Harbinger V4415s because they're built to handle large venues and outdoor events with ease. Featuring a powerful 15-inch woofer, these speakers deliver deep bass and crystal clear highs, making them the perfect choice for environments where sound coverage and impact are key. And with Bluetooth streaming, a built-in digital mixer, and advanced app control, the V4415 offers the flexibility and convenience every DJ needs. And I got these speakers from Guitar Center because they simply offered the best deal. Not only can you demo them in store, but Guitar Center also has great deals on a wide selection of new and used gear, including the V4415s, GRV6, and XDJ-AZ. So if you're looking to upgrade your DJ setup or even get one started, Guitar Center is the place to go. Check the links down below for more info. Now, under the hood, Alpha Theta has packed the XDJ-AZ with several brand new features, all of which are accessible through the 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen display. Compared to the XDJ-XZ's 7-inch touchscreen, this larger display looks stunning, bright, and crisp. The familiar modes from the CDJ-3000 are present here too, allowing you to seamlessly navigate between browse, tag list, playlist, and search on the XDJ-AZ. So moving between the 3000's layout and the AZ's layout is seamless. Beyond the CDJ-inspired layout, the XDJ-AZ's OS introduces some new features that significantly enhance your workflow. One of these is Playlist Bank, which lets you save up to 4 playlists for easy access. This means you're always in control of your set and you won't need to scramble to find the next track. Another major improvement is the addition of Touch Preview and Touch Queue. With Touch Preview, you can listen to tracks in your playlist without loading them into a deck, making track selection faster and more intuitive. Touch Queue goes even further by allowing you to preview specific sections of a track that's already playing on a deck without interrupting the main playback. This feature is perfect for DJs who like to prepare their transitions on the fly without disrupting the flow of their set. The touchscreen also displays the status of your performance pads and beat effects, so you never have to look away from the screen to check if you're in the right mode or about to trigger the correct effect. Everything you need is in front and center, enhancing your focus and flow during your performance. Additionally, the ISO customization settings are now controlled through the touchscreen, replacing the physical switch previously located on the mixer. In fact, almost every setting, from deck and mixer settings to Bluetooth configurations, can be fine-tuned directly from the touchscreen, offering a level of customization that caters to every DJ's personal workflow. The XDJ-AZ offers a high level of connectivity and flexibility. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect to cloud-based libraries, like Rekordbox Cloud Direct Play. This means your entire library, complete with hot cues and loops, is always up to date and accessible directly from the unit. You can also stream music directly from Beatport via streaming direct play, and all the essential track data like BPM and waveforms are available instantly, making it easy to mix new tracks. The XDJ-AZ also supports a variety of external devices. Whether you're using USB sticks, connecting to your laptop via USB-C, or even hooking up external turntables or samplers, this unit can handle it all. With both Rekordbox DJ and Serato DJ, the XDJ-AZ performs exactly as you'd expect. Everything is responsive, intuitive, and accurately mapped. Plus, for those who use Rekordbox DJ or Serato DJ Pro, the XDJ-AZ automatically unlocks both software platforms without the need for a paid subscription. In addition to all that, the XDJ-AZ is the first DJ unit to feature Alpha Theta's Sonic Link technology for wireless headphones, allowing you to use your new XDJ-F10 headphones to their fullest potential. Sonic Link transmits audio 20 times faster than conventional Bluetooth, offering ultra-low latency at around 9 ms. While it's not truly zero latency, which is only possible with analog, the delay is so minimal that you can monitor and perform in real time without noticing any lag. Personally, I haven't noticed any issues at all. Now, the new XDJ-F10 headphones provide excellent sound isolation and crisp audio quality, making them a huge upgrade over the XDJ-XZs. They also feature active noise cancelling, which can only be enabled in Bluetooth mode. As for battery life, a full charge gives you up to 9 hours of use with Sonic Link, or 30 hours via Bluetooth mode. The XDJ-F10s can be purchased with or without the HP TX10's transmitter, which allows you to use them in Sonic Link mode with any DJ mixer. However, since the XDJ-AZ already has a transmitter built in, you're ready to go right out the box. Now let's tackle the big question of why this is an Alpha Theta product and not a Pioneer DJ branded one. First, it's important to note that the CEO of both Alpha Theta and Pioneer DJ is the same person, Yoshinori-san. And by the way, he's also one of the engineers behind the first CDJ. So with that in mind, since the leadership is the same, the people, the team, and the overall vision are the same as well. So to put it simply, the short answer is flexibility. Under the Alpha Theta name, it's much easier for the people behind Pioneer DJ to innovate and create new DJ gear. And with that in mind, I can confidently say that the XDJ-AZ is Alpha Theta's most advanced and forward-thinking product yet. From its club standard layout and powerful performance features to the game-changing wireless headphone integration and cloud connectivity, this standalone controller truly has it all. So is the XDJ-AZ worth it? Well, if you're looking for a future-proof, professional-level controller that will elevate your DJ sets, the answer is a resounding yes.